In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jira account. Now let's dive right into it so you can navigate this process smoothly and confidently. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Jira account. As soon as you are on your Jira homepage, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your avatar or profile picture. Click on your avatar and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This is your first step toward managing your account preferences. Once you have clicked on Account Settings, you'll notice that you are taken to the Atlassian page. Atlassian is the company behind Jira, and here you can manage a lot of your account details and preferences. It's the central hub for all things account related, providing a seamless way to handle your subscriptions, security settings, and of course, account management. Next on your list of actions is to find and click on Account Preferences. This section houses all the customizable settings for your Jira account and gives you control over your personal preferences. Scroll through carefully to make sure you're on the right page. Now comes the crucial part, locating the section or option labeled Delete Account. This option can sometimes be nestled within other settings, so take your time browsing through the page. Once you find it, you'll see the option clearly labeled. It's important to approach this step with certainty because it sets the deletion process in motion. Upon selecting Delete Account, prompts will appear to guide you through the confirmation process. Pay close attention to each prompt as they are designed to ensure you truly wish to proceed with account deletion. It's meant to be a safeguard as deleting an account is irreversible. Before you finalize your decision, it's important to pause and carefully read the information provided about what happens to your account and its data after deletion. This is a critical moment to understand what data will be affected and to ensure that you have backed up anything you might need in the future. Deleting your account will permanently remove access to all your data, so double check that this is indeed what you want to do. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through the process of deleting your Jira account. This decision is significant, so if you have any doubts or questions, make sure you've evaluated all your options before proceeding. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content.